Dumelang, welcome back to Setswana class. Tsatsi jeno ke ya go itshidila mmele. Today I'm going to the gym. I think that's what we call gymming or training in Setswana, exercising. Go itshidila mmele, which literally translates to massaging your body. You are going to massage your body. Re ya go itshidila mmele. Let's go. All right. It's a beautiful sunny day, but it's a little bit cold today. So ke heditse go ikatisa mmele. Ke ne ke le mo gymming lebaka le le kana ka hour kana ora e le nngwe fela. And yeah, ke a huhula, I'm sweating. So basically what I said is that I've been in the gym for the whole hour, and now ke a huhula. Hey, Sethito. I'm sweating, as you can see, the sweat. So we are gaining some muscles, I guess. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang sent. Until we meet again next time, goodbye.